Aweh Millionaire. Today's trade of the day is GBPUSD, and it's the same old story, day in, day out, just collecting those pips. It's 15 minutes after the news has been released for GBP, and as you can see, I'm long GBPUSD. The trade has already shot up into profit. It shot up into profit all because of the support of high impact news. Just collect those easy pips. Trade high impact news using supply and demand and forex volume, and your trading will be so much more consistent, so much more profitable. So I'm gonna just cut to the chase here and let you know exactly how I got into this GBPUSD trade and how you too can catch these high impact news trade whenever they come out, because that's when I come out. I come out when the news come out, just like the banks do. Okay, because I'm a smart trader, you're a smart trader. Trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. But again, if you want to know how to become a more consistent and profitable trader and learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But GBPUSD long, let's crack into it.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
So yeah, it's another day, same old. I mean, it's starting to get a little bit boring, but that's what trading is supposed to be. Trading is supposed to be boring, same shit, different day, and collect those clips. That's how you become consistent. So with this one, I'm gonna stick on the 15-minute time frame because it's all nice and laid up for me here and laid up for you, so you can see exactly what was popping here. So obviously, when it comes to high impact news, step number one is to always identify the supply and the demand levels. And we identify the supply and demand levels using the infamous Forex volume to do so. And as you can see already, if you know, those of you who have already got the free video training on how to identify supply and demand areas, already you can see the demand area like screaming in your face, and it's like skibbity pap right over there. Like, look at that, screaming in right in front of your face. As you can see, if you got the free video training, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't have it, click on the link in the description so you can get your hands on that training and learn how to identify supply and demand levels like a smart ass trader. So there's the demand level, skibbity pap. Okay, let me change this color back so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So boom, there's a demand level, nice and easy. Okay, and what do we have over there? We have right before the news, okay, price did what? Price came back and tested the demand zone, and guys, like, you know what it is. You trade like a smart trader, so we know where the smart money is. We also know what the dumb money is thinking, okay, because price is coming down to test the demand zone. We know what the amateurs are thinking, but we're not amateurs, we're the smart traders. And what smart traders do is they trade opposite to the dumb money and they trade with the smart money. And it was as simple as that. And for the entry, it's very simple, guys. Whenever you enter these high impact news trades, it's very simple. Okay, the entry is like the simplest part of the process. All you want to do is you want to look for the most recent fractal high, the most recent fractal low, and you use that as your entry and your stop, whether you buy or you sell it. So in this case, the most recent fractal low was this one right over there. Okay, as you can see, there's the fractal low. That's where the stop loss was put. And for this trade specifically, you can see the most recent fractal high is this one. Okay, but it's just quite far away from this trade. So what you do in a case like that, when the recent fractal high is too far away, what you do is you then look for the next obvious levels of entry. And what you use there is you use consolidation. You look for the most recent consolidation, and as you can see, this is where price was consolidating just before the use. Okay, so you use that area there as your point of entry. Okay, so that's where it was up. Use that area as my point of entry. So there we had it, point of entry over there, and we had a 20 pip. Yeah, it was like a 20 pip entry to stop, 20 pip entry to take profit, and the take profit is right at that recent fractal high. So that's what I mean when I say it was a little bit too far for this trade. So yeah, you either use the recent fractal high and low as your point of entry and stop. But if your entry is a little bit too far, you look for the next obvious level of entry using the, you just look at price action. Price was consolidating there, so you know there's a lot of business happening there. Put the entry just in that area, and then, and as you can see what happened with the news, as the news came out, it literally popped right through there, and now it's going to go like kiss the take profit. It's about to kiss the take profit, and that's how simple it is. It's like if you trade with the banks, you follow the smart money, the trade will follow you to your take profit, because that's exactly where the banks are going. Nothing new, another day, another dollar. If you enjoyed this video, take a screenshot, tag me on Instagram, share it and tag it on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next High Impact News. I'm gonna pop out, okay, and I'll pop back in another High Impact News video. I'm out.
Batman, Batman, Batman.